What about that? With a flourish in the way he uses his wrist. Boy, he's been in great hitting form this season, Hardik Pandya.
Oh, he's got under that cutting. That's big. That's big. That's home among the gum trees. 4 for 306.
First ball goes for 6. Leg side, whips that away also with his strong wrists. There's a 6 more. Yeah, Torres. Back-to-back maximums. Terrific stuff from a
box inside that crease.
Oh! The sound of it! What a shot!
Helicopter shot.
That was worth coming to the Chinnaswamy Stadium for.